Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add League of Legends to Steam. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's jump straight into it. So here we are. I've got the Steam app opened. If you do prefer to use the web-based version of Steam, follow it on as these steps are the same. So what you want to do once you've got Steam opened and log into your account, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this add a game option down here. Now go ahead and select add a non-Steam game, and this is going to load up a window like this. So what you want to do from here is just go ahead and find League of Legends. You can see I got that here. If you can see it on the list, just come down to browse down here. So once you've gone ahead and found League of Legends, all you want to do is tick the box next to it and then click the blue add selector programs. Now this should add it directly to your library. So if you now come back to the top left hand corner and click onto your library, you should now see League of Legends in your library. So you can see that's here. You can see it's quite clean at the moment, but what we can do is change this banner. So all you need to do is right click and click on to set custom background, and as you can see, I've just added a picture of a gameplay that I downloaded. And what you can also do is right click onto the actual game icon, and if you come down and click onto properties and change further things like the shortcuts, the name of the shortcut, and things like the target path and things like that. So for example, I could just change this to LOL, and you'll see that's going to update on here as well. So let's have to go ahead and add League of Legends to Steam in 2023. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.